First, cut the foam strip to the appropriate length. Only apply the stickers to the left and right sides and the top. The bottom does not need to be covered. Use the key to open the backpack. Install backpack back panel. 6 screws need to be installed here. 2 of the shorter hex screws are located at the bottom. The other 4 were secured with relatively long screws. Press firmly to allow the screw to pass through the hole in the back plate, then tighten the nut. Finally, tighten all the screws with a hex screwdriver. First, install the small bracket on the original car's roof rack. Press the bracket downwards and thread the 2 longest hexagonal screws through the 2 opposite holes in the bracket. Install the backpack we assembled. Adjust the position to align the screw holes with the screws. Use a hex screw to tighten it a little to secure it. If the screws are not properly aligned, you can use a screwdriver to gently pry the screw open before securing it. Install 2 waterproof gaskets. Open the bag. Simply install the 2 clips. Finally, simply affix our logo.